Hello once again, this is Links back for another video. Today I'm gonna be fixing the fan of my MSI GE62 because the fan rattles a lot when turn it on. So I bought a replacement fan from AliExpress. I will put a link on the description below if you're interested. So let's start. First of all, we have to unscrew the screws on the bottom plate of the laptop. So let's start unscrewing. So next we have to pry the bottom case open. So here we see the motherboard of the MSI GE62. Here I am pointing on the CPU fan. So we have to remove the connector from the motherboard in order to unmount the fans. So this is the battery. First we have to remove the battery so we can safely remove the heatsink of the motherboard. So now that we have removed the battery of the motherboard, we can now start removing the heatsink. So on the right side is the GPU fan and on the left side is the CPU fan. So first we have to remove the GPU fan so we can properly unmount the heatsink. So I'm gonna speed this up and let's see how it goes. So now that the heatsink has been removed from the board, we shall now remove the fans from the heatsinks. So make sure that wires are properly removed from the heatsink before doing the procedure. So let's start with the CPU fan. Next is the GPU fan. So now let's install both fans. So after installing the fans, you can now put everything back together to the way it was.